Hello everybody, Sven here from Germany, and today I've got a very important message for you, but first, intro. As I told you in my first video, I'd recommend you to do a 9-to-5 job like me so you can build your own business in your free time without any pressure. Don't quit until you earn at least as much as you currently get from your 9-to-5 job over a longer period of time, okay? The company I was working for got financial issues and I was the last one they had to dismiss. Now I don't have any other choices than either find a new employment or take my music business to the next level because I need money obviously to pay my rent and to pay my bills. Now after I got fired, I immediately got a new offer from a different company who wants me to work for them 9-to-5. But before I'm gonna tell you how I decided and how you can turn pressure into motivation, I will show you some impressions of my working space where I got fired from. Let's go.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
That's a nice place, right? But you don't have any idea how many times I went home from this place totally frustrated. I was kind of like burnt out every time I left this office. I got nightmares from this job. I felt like I was in prison psychologically. And this job took most of my energy. I felt very, very depressed. Most people would have existential fears and would be worried about their future. But for me, although I earned much money there, I felt like I exchanged my comfort zone into a complete relief. I feel free and I'm very happy now because I have the opportunity to work for my dreams and not for others. I have more time and energy for my family and for me, of course. When I'm working on my music business now, I have much better results than I had when I came home from work in the past. So that is the reason why I rejected the offer from the other company and why I will concentrate on my own music business now. And that is how you can turn pressure and existential fears into motivation. So first of all, the first day you got fired or you decide to do something for yourself, the first day you take off. That's what I did. Take one day off. Do something you really like and you were not able to do in the past for a long period of time because of your work. On the next day, find a nice place where you feel comfortable and define your goals. If you haven't watched already my video on how defining your goals, you can find it as a link in the description box. On day 3, you think about a strategy that fits to your goals you defined the day before. I'm going to do another video about how to find a strategy. But first of all, make sure that you find a strategy that you will follow without getting paid. It's all about passion. It's all about finding a strategy that fits to your goals and to your passion. Fourth step is concentrate and focus on your strategy every single day. Work as hard as you can every single day for your goals as long as you feel passionate about it. That is the key. And then the money will come automatically. That's the secret. So I wish you lots of success. Tell me about your strategies, about your decisions in the comment box, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Leave your thumb if you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.